You're stuck, aren't you? Watching markets swirl like storms you can't control, seeing your hedge fund strategies leak performance, your portfolio bleed in silent frustration. And nobody talks about this pain openly. Nobody hands you a map through the confusion where smart money disappears faster than a mirage. This, this is the unbearable truth. Every founder, every investor, every leader feels deep inside, but never admits. Traditional hedge strategies are broken. They're slow, rigid, governed by outdated playbooks that betray your ambition, your hunger to not just survive, but dominate. It's a cruel game rigged against breakthroughs, designed to keep you running in circles, wasting precious time and capital. You rage against it, feeling the sharp sting of lost opportunities, the gnawing fear that maybe you're falling behind in a world that's speeding ahead without mercy. Now listen carefully, because here's where everything flips. Smart beta. It's not just some trendy buzzword for passive investors chasing easy wins. No, smart beta is the radical new playbook, a weapon forged from cold data and fierce intellect, designed to rip apart that old, slow, stale hedge fund model. Smart beta doesn't ask for permission. It seizes control from the mess of gut feelings, opaque risks, and manager biases that have bled capital dry for decades. This is the future, yes, but not some abstract promise. It offers a brutal, almost sacred process of combining rules-based strategies tuned to extract alpha relentlessly, without the emotional noise, without the blind spots. It's your remedy against volatility that crushes dreams at the speed of news cycles, a strategy built to survive harsh realities, not fantasies. The key? Stop worshipping the alpha gods of the past. Stop blindly relying on expensive, secretive managers who hide behind layers of complexity while your returns get shredded. Instead, embrace transparency and mechanical discipline. Smart beta strategies empower you to break down risk exposures intelligently, reweight factors like value, momentum, quality, and low volatility, not as isolated bets, but fused into an unstoppable core that adapts to market shifts faster than any human can react. It's like upgrading your entire command center: pure precision, operational genius, and relentless execution. You don't get stuck chasing the herd or caught in panic when markets spiral. You are the storm that commands the market. Here's what you do next, and hear this loud. Strip away outdated risk paradigms now. Build a smart beta core in your portfolio as a spine, not just a side bet. This lets you systematically tilt toward factors that historically crush benchmarks. But most importantly, it forces discipline. No overexposure, no emotional deviation under pressure. Overweight quality companies with resilient balance sheets and momentum that the herd hasn't priced in yet. Underweight volatile speculative traps that turn to ashes overnight. This is not polite investing, it's war. Then, fuse it with active overlay managers, but only those who respect the integrity of smart beta signals and add true value, not noise. Demand transparency like your very survival depends on it, because it does. And keep your capital nimble. Markets will punish the slow and the static without mercy. This is about survival, evolution, and winning in a brutal financial jungle where old rules are dying, and only adaptation guarantees your next victory. The myths of comfort and sameness, throw them out. Your real power lies in brutal clarity and fearless innovation. Smart beta is no cure-all, but it is the spearhead that slices through the fog that has blinded millions. Masters of the future will be those who blend human insight with mechanical precision, who relinquish ego for structure, and who build portfolios that are alive, not frozen relics of privilege and tradition. If you want freedom from losing battles, freedom from slow decay, freedom to scale your vision boldly, inject smart beta into your hedge strategy. Now, connect to the invisible force reshaping global capital flows. This is not about fitting in. It's about rising above, transcending the noise, becoming the commander of your financial destiny, who refuses to bow before outdated systems. You don't get second chances in a world moving at light speed. Either you seize smart beta's undeniable edge today, or you remain trapped in yesterday's illusions, watching others rewrite the future. So act, build, innovate, dominate. Because if not you, then who?